Cyclone Garance has left the French overseas territory of Reunion Island in a state of devastation after making landfall on February 28, 2025. The powerful cyclone, which brought violent winds, torrential rains, and massive waves, leaving hundreds of thousands without power and water. The storm's destructive force has crippled infrastructure, toppled trees, destroyed homes, and triggered landslides in the mountainous regions of the island. In response, emergency services and the French government have mobilized resources to provide aid and restore essential services. Though rescue efforts remain challenging due to blocked roads and ongoing severe weather conditions. Winds exceeding 200 km/h tore through towns, bringing down power lines and toppling trees. The relentless rainfall led to flash floods, inundating streets, submerging homes, and rendering major roads impassable.
Hey, regarde ça! Putain, mais d'où est-ce qu'elles sortent les voitures? Mais c'est un truc de malade! Mais c'est quoi ce cyclone? Hé, madame, regardez madame, elle va se noyer! Mais ça va pas ou quoi?
Coastal areas faced some of the worst impacts, with storm surges sending waves crashing onto shorelines, causing significant damage to waterfront properties and eroding sections of the island's coastline. Many areas were quickly cut off due to rising floodwaters and debris blocking roads, hampering the ability of rescue teams to reach affected communities. Many families have been forced to seek refuge in emergency shelters set up across the island as their homes became uninhabitable due to structural damage or rising floodwaters. The scale of the destruction has overwhelmed local authorities, leading to calls for additional support from mainland France and international humanitarian organizations. Rescue and relief efforts have been hindered by the sheer scale of destruction left in the cyclone's wake. Emergency responders have faced immense difficulties navigating the blocked roads, many of which are covered in fallen trees, mudslides, and debris from collapsed structures. Landslides triggered by the torrential rains have further complicated rescue operations, cutting off entire communities from aid. Communication networks have also suffered significant damage, leaving many areas without cell service or internet, making it difficult for rescue teams to coordinate their efforts effectively. situation has been exacerbated by the continued presence of strong winds and lingering rain, which pose additional hazards for those attempting to conduct rescue and recovery operations. In some parts of the island, the risk of further flooding remains high, with officials warning that rivers could overflow and cause additional damage. The French government has launched a large-scale response to address the crisis, deploying military personnel and emergency teams to assist in relief effort. Rescue helicopters have been dispatched to airlift stranded residents from areas that have become inaccessible by road. Additional emergency supplies, including food, drinking water, medical aid, and temporary shelter materials, have been sent to the island to assist those affected. The coming weeks will be crucial as efforts continue to restore essential services, clear debris, and provide assistance to those who have lost their homes and livelihood. While the scars of Cyclone Garance will remain for some time, the island's people are determined to rebuild and move forward, proving their strength and resilience in the face of adversity.